Seb, where we are going now?
Okay, we are heading to Krabi, Thailand to test the new Isuzu D-MAX 1.9. So we're waiting to board right now. And then once we land, we just head for lunch and then we'll go straight from Krabi all the way to Phuket. So stay tuned.
Alright guys, we are finally here in Krabi, Thailand, and this is what we are going to drive for the next couple of days. This is the new and improved Isuzu D-MAX with the Blue Power 1.9 turbo diesel engine that is going to be available in the Malaysian market soon. This bad boy is going to replace the outgoing 2.5 liter. Why? Because it's more fuel efficient, it has more power, it's lighter, it's more comfortable, and with the lower capacity it's going to be cheaper too. So it makes sense that this, something that is cheaper, smaller, more comfortable is going to replace the outgoing engine that is bigger and with less power. So the highlight of this 2019 Isuzu D-MAX is the new front facade. As you can see, it comes with new grills, new design for the LED lights, DRLs. There's a new sticker design on the side, so you won't make a mistake of saying, oh, this is a 2.5 or 3 liter. This is the 1.9 Blue Power turbo diesel. So what's so good about this new one? So the 1.9 liter actually saves around 60 kilograms, I think 56 to be exact. So that means that it is able to carry more payload. It's more powerful. I think it creates about 150 horsepower, 350 newton meters of torque. So that's roughly 10% more than what the current 2.5 liter is producing. So it makes sense for Isuzu to replace the outgoing 2.5 liter. So let's check what's new with the interior. What Isuzu has stated that they've come up with a lot more creature comfort with the soft touch materials all around the cabin. It has a new hill descent control. The seats are new as well. It's a combination of leather and fabric. I think fabric is going to be the new in thing now. Storage. There's also a new 6-speed automatic. In Malaysia, they are going to make the 6-speed manual available as well. So if you are a 3-pedal guy, then you can get that one for the new D-MAX. So we are going to test drive this car from Krabi all the way to Phuket today. So that is around 200 kilometers. So let's see what this car is able to do, shall we? finally here in Phuket after driving 200 kilometers in the new 2019 Isuzu D-MAX. Well, not actually new, but the face is new, some of the looks are new, but the biggest update for the D-MAX is the 1.9 turbo diesel engine. Let's check out what's inside. Oh, ini. Right. Oh, there you go. Thank you, Jay.
No problem.
Fuck. So this is what everyone has been raving about for the past couple of days. This is the new 1.9 turbo diesel engine that is going to replace the outgoing 2.5 liter that is currently available in Malaysia, but not for long. In a couple of weeks time, this car is going to make its official launch here in Malaysia. Now let's start up and I'll tell you more about it. Okay. Now, in terms of looks, right, there are a few updates at the front. New lights, new LED lights, new grille, and at the back you can have the option to have the easy tailgate lift. So that comes as an option if you want less hassle when it comes to handling your car. But like I said before, the biggest update is its 1.9 liter turbocharged diesel engine. Now, why is the 1.9 replacing the 2.5? There are a few reasons. Number one, it's more powerful than the 2.5 liter. So although it is 600cc less or 600cc smaller than the 2.5 liter, it is actually more powerful by about 10%. In other words, this 1.9 liter actually produces 150 horsepower and about 350 Newton meters of torque, if I'm not mistaken. So according to the engineers at Isuzu, it's about 9.4% more power and 10% more torque than the 2.5. So this engine is not only smaller, but it is more powerful, and it has been tuned for optimum fuel efficiency. As you can see, there are a lot of bars here, but we've only used one so far in our drive. We've driven 200 kilometers already, and that is quite an achievement for this new engine option that is coming to Malaysia very, very soon. It's already in Thailand for a number of years now. It's also in Europe, but they've been doing a lot of testing, a lot of development, making sure that it is suitable for the Malaysian market. Now, what else? Okay, like I said earlier, the biggest update is the engine. It's more powerful, it's fuel efficient, it has less maintenance, you know, with all the features that Isuzu has introduced, new turbochargers. Yeah, basically it's a very, very good engine to have, especially in Malaysia, because not only it is more powerful since it's smaller. Those who are looking for a pickup truck but don't really want to waste a lot of money on paying road tax, well, this 1.9 is actually a lot cheaper than the 2.5. I'm guessing, from what I know, the 2.5 liter D-MAX will set you back about 800 ringgit when it comes to road tax, while this 1.9 liter, the one that is more powerful and better fuel efficiency, will cost about 400. So that's half of what you're paying for the 2.5. Okay, this is the new easy tail lift gate that we're talking about. It comes with this this, so make sure that you only need to use one finger to close it back. So this feature is about 650 ringgit. It's an option that you can have. You can also have this one here. You can just pull everything to you instead of climbing to the cab. Okay, then just lock it so it won't move around. Again, just one finger, you're good to go. Oh, another new feature that's going to come as standard is this one. Is the hill descent control. Apart from all the other safety features, Isuzu will be adding the hill descent control for the 1.9 Blue Power Isuzu D-MAX, which will be launched officially in Malaysia in a couple of weeks' time. So it's a good car with a great engine. The only thing that is going to stop it from being super successful in Malaysia is the price. If Isuzu Malaysia play their cards right and they put a very reasonable price for the new 1.9 liter Isuzu D-MAX, I'm pretty sure you will see a lot of these cars on the road. So we've driven all around Phuket from Krabi, where we saw a lot of D-MAXs here in Thailand. They seem to love it, and yeah, we understand why. So for more information, don't forget to head to our website www.piston.my. We also have a YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share it with your friends, and yeah, there will be more to come. Thank you. Have a nice day, guys.